Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very good recipe for apple streusel muffins. Really excited. Let's get started.
Lots of ingredients today. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon salt, half a cup or 120 milliliters of oil, half a cup or 120 milliliters of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract or 1½ tablespoons vanilla sugar, 1½ cups or 215 grams peeled and chopped apples. Now for the crumb topping. We need 1¼ cups or 156 grams of flour, half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 1/3 cup or 66 grams of sugar, a half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 6 tablespoons or 85 grams of melted butter. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups flour, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar, baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon salt. Add buttermilk, oil, eggs, and vanilla. If it gets difficult to combine with a whisk, try a spoon. Fold in the chopped apples. Spoon into lined cupcake form, filling about half full. Now let's make the streusel topping. Combine 1¼ cups of flour, a half a cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup sugar, half a teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Pour in melted butter and stir together. Use hands to knead briefly if you're having difficulties combining with a spoon or spatula. Sprinkle streusel topping over the muffin batter. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow to cool. These apple streusel muffins are moist and very crummy. They taste amazing. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.